You know when you go to a restaurant and the pasta is like $26 without the protein? Yeah, ain't nobody got time for that. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video of Juice Hungry and Thirsty. My name is Olivia Janelle, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be making my version of the Tuscan chicken for this price. That's not bad. It's going to be one of those dinners that everybody enjoys, and it also doesn't take too much time, it doesn't cost too much, and it's also healthy. You're more than welcome to substitute any of your protein. You can have steak, shrimp, chicken, tofu, or you can just simply have vegan. And speaking of vegan, if you would like to make this meal vegan, you can substitute the heavy cream for a fatty coconut milk. And I will link it right here and in the description box below. I know you're hungry, so with all of that said, let's just get right to it. Now I know you know pasta under $3 is better than $26. To prepare, you will need to mince 3 medium to large garlic cloves into a bowl and put it off to the side. You will need 2 boneless chicken breasts, seasoned with dried oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, which is optional, but it boosts your chicken's flavor. Flip the chicken breast over and repeat the process. Press the seasoning into your chicken. In a medium pan, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Be sure to coat the bottom of your pan. On medium heat, add your chicken to the pan and cook about 8 minutes on each side or until the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove your chicken and put it off to the side. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, add your minced garlic, allow the garlic to saute, then add in a 1.5 cups of heirloom tomatoes. Saute your tomatoes until most are blistered. Add a cup of spinach. Saute your spinach until it begins to wilt, although you don't want it to wilt all the way. Next, add 3/4 of heavy cream. Give it a good mix. Add about a 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan Reggiano. Add in about 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add pasta to a bowl, your sauce, and sauteed veggies with your chicken, and enjoy. So let's try it. Oh, let me just tell you right now, the smell, amazing. The chicken is cooked perfectly. Now let's talk about the sauce. Have you ever gone to a restaurant before and you've asked for light sauce? Because sometimes it could be a little bit too heavy, you know what I mean? For those who ask, you know what I mean. But with this sauce, it's very, very light. It's not super thick. You know how like mac and cheese, it's got like a thicker consistency? This one doesn't. Before you eat the tomatoes, if one of them is not fully like blistered, I strongly recommend cutting it, because if not, you're gonna end up burning your mouth because it's all hot on the inside, and when you bite a tomato, it just like bursts out, and you don't want to do that. Now let's talk about the sauce. The star of the show is the garlic at the bottom of the pan. Do not throw, do not rinse, do not do anything but keep that garlic in the bottom of the pan, okay? Because that is what makes the sauce. When I cook food, I like to obviously try different things, but I also like to introduce new things to people that don't like certain items. For example, the tomatoes. If you didn't like tomatoes and I cooked them like this, you wouldn't have known that there was any tomatoes in there. I guarantee that. My hope is that you cook something different, you cook something new, you cook something that is out of your element, and hopefully you like this meal a lot, just as much as I did. The main reason why I chose a bow tie pasta instead of a linguine pasta or an angel hair pasta is because there's a lot of components going on. Because of the tomatoes, because of the spinach, and because of the chicken. It's easier to eat that way. It's your entire preference, but that's what I strongly recommend. My whole hope in sharing this recipe is hopefully inspire you to cook something out of the box, out of your ordinary, because cooking in general doesn't have to be labor intensive. This meal takes only 3 minutes. With that said, if you enjoyed this video and if you plan on trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section down below. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to juice for yourself, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Cheers!